Hi! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jem, Abanti, and Jess, and welcome to Jems and Wonders. Hi! So today is October 8th, and ilang days lang before my birthday, and I'm so happy because may surprise package tayo nakuha for today! Ayan! Nagulat ako kanina. Akala ko kung saan galing to kasi nga via Lala Move. And wala naman akong pinabook. Wala din pinabook si Hubby. And as you can see, it's a Charles and Kit box. And taran! May note. So, kanino galing tong surprise package for today? So, sobrang excited na ako. Let's check. Ayan na yung note. And, wow! Surprise gift from my senior, our future national, Miss Cecil Cahoy. So, it says here, ayan, my dearest Gem, I'm so excited for you to be in the Millionaires Club soonest. Yes, we're claiming it. Never stop dreaming, never stop daring, never stop doing. The NSD dream. With so much love and belief, Cecil NSD. Yes! Wow! First time ko to magkaroon ng ganitong box from Charles and Kit. I'm not really kasi fond of, bags, signature talaga. Parang okay na ako sa mga Mary Kay bags kasi matitibay naman. Pero syempre kung gift, why not? And favorite color pa, Mary Kay color pink. So, sabayan nyo ko as I unbox this special package. So, sobrang excited na ako. Let's check. Ayan na yung note. And, wow! Surprise gift from my senior, our future national, Miss Cecil Cahoy. So, it says here, ayan, my dearest Gem, I'm so excited for you to be in the Millionaires Club soonest. Yes, we're claiming it. Never stop dreaming, never stop daring, never stop doing. The NSD dream. With so much love and belief, Cecil NSD. Yes! Wow! First time ko to magkaroon ng ganitong box from Charles and Kit. I'm not really kasi fond of, bags, signature talaga. Parang okay na ako sa mga Mary Kay bags kasi matitibay naman. Pero syempre kung gift, why not? And favorite color pa, Mary Kay color pink. So, sabayan nyo ko as I unbox this special package. So, let's unbox the surprise package for today. So, it says here, Charles and Kit. Wow! Super cute! Super ganda! Love the color! Ito yung nakita ko sa Facebook feed na super ganda na bag. Natutuwa ko kasi ang cute ng color tsaka ng design. Wow! Thank you so much, our dearest NSD Ninang Ses, for this very cute bag. Actually, gorgeous siya. More than just cute. Bango ng amoy, no? Parang sa sobrang ganda, parang ayoko nang gamitin. Tago na lang. Kidding aside, and sobrang thankful for my Mary Kay family, especially to my mentors, and my first mentor in Mary Kay, actually siya, and also Ninang Celi de la Cruz, Ninang Cecil Cahoy, and all those Mary Kay family na patuloy pong sumusuporta sa akin in my Mary Kay journey. Thank you to all the Mary Kay staff because yan, sobrang for my 8 years, I really enjoy what I'm doing. And thankful of course to my supportive husband. And siya naman yung lagi nagpupush sa akin. Alam niya na hindi ako masyado mahilig sa signature bags. Pero syempre, kung free, why not? And reward pa. Ayan, sobrang natuwa ako. Ito yung first na Charles and Kit bag ko na ganito ka-cute. Ano yung tsura niya? Actually, diba? Dahil first time natin, tignan ko how should I open this one. Ayan. Ayun. Ayan. Nakatuwa. Taran! Pasensya na, first time po natin. Yan, salamat sa sponsor natin, si Ninang Cecil Kahoy. Ang ganda nung lalagyan, no? Sobrang ganda. Lalagyan pa lang. And also the bag. Ayan, syempre. So, perks of being a Mary Kay Sales Director, rewards from my national and our future national, Miss Cecil Kahoy. Thank you for this reward. All your efforts are truly rewarded in Mary Kay. Salamat sa mga patuloy po na sumusuporta sa ating unit, sa mga Dearest Beauty Consultants ko. Because of you, ladies, yan, na-achieve din natin yung mga perks of being a top Mary Kay Sales Director. So, patuloy lang tayo sa goals. May Mary Kay Diamonds like no other unit. Super kakatuwa kasi meron din siyang lace and tada! Strap niya. Kaya shoulder bag din pala siya. Super ganda. Thank you so much. Again, our dearest Ninang Cecil Kahoy, our future NSD, for this wonderful gift. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. I believe this is just more than a bag. For me, this represents my year 2020. We might start the year full of unpredictable moments, pero God is faithful to His promises. See, breakthroughs and surprises are coming. So thank you, Lord, because I know lahat po ng mga pinagdadasal natin, dadating yan in God's perfect time. Actually, I just finished my interview with Mrs. Apad. So please watch out our interview in her vlog, Blazing Butterflies, for my Mary Kay Journey feature. So once again, ladies, this is Jem Abante and rest of Jems and Wonders, saying, stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and of course, stay positive always. Bye! Thanks for watching!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Jems and Wonders! Give us some love by subscribing and liking this video and see you very soon!
Yan. Thank you, Mrs. Let's support also Blazing Butterflies, our future national, says Apad. Thank you for today, Mrs.
Wow, super happy. Thank you, Ninang Cecil. Nagulat ako kung may package dumating. Thank you. Wow.
Here's the package. Wow, with love letters.